Hello everybody, this is Farah and today I'm going to talk to you about rosemary. But particularly I'm going to talk to you about rosemary essential oil. Just to kind of give you an idea about rosemary, we use it as obviously just for our cooking on potatoes or in our cooking. So it is actually more than just an aromatic herb that we use in our cooking. It is actually the most powerful herb and essential oils on the planet. The reason being is that it has an ORAC, which is a way to measure the antioxidant value of a food. It has an ORAC of more than 11,000. So it is a powerful free radical essential oil, as powerful as Goji Berries apparently. So it's very highly regarded as an essential oil. It has been used for thousands and thousands of years by the Greek, the Egyptians, the Hebrews, the Romans, in the Mediterranean as well. So it has been used for weddings, for example, as charms for the bride and the groom. It has been used in funeral as well to give to the family as an honor and remembrance and forgiveness, or whatever they were used to it to give it for. So it's very respected and highly regarded essential oil. So now I'm going to move on to talk to you about the health benefit of rosemary essential oil and how to use it. So the top 5 health benefit and uses, I'm going to talk about hair loss. So if you have experiencing hair loss due to pregnancy, post-pregnancy, or maybe hormone imbalance due to gene inheritance, so rosemary would be the best oil to use for that. So I would recommend you put 10 to 20 drops in your everyday shampoo that you use already, and then really massage your scalp and leave it to set maybe for a little bit before rinsing it. So doing this routine every day will help with the hair growth. The second one that I would recommend is for memory boosts. It's very highly regarded for that particular health issue. So the best way to use it is to use it with lemon in the morning, because it's very invigorating and very uplifting with lemon. And in the evening, use it with orange. So use it with wild orange or tangerine. It's really relaxing, and lavender as well. Rosemary and lavender are such a great combination. So that's a really good way to boost your memory. So if you're starting to lose your memory like I do, as I said, lemon in the morning with rosemary, in the evening either wild orange, tangerine or lavender. Number 3 is for liver cleansing. It's an amazing way to detox your liver with rosemary. So if you are already doing a detox with lemon or with grapefruit, add rosemary to that, because it will really help with cleansing your liver as well. Number 4, lower cortisol. So it's an amazing essential oil to help you de-stress, lower your cortisol level. As we know, stress is number 1 killer. It really does so much damage to our health. So lower your cortisol with rosemary essential oil. Use it with lavender, as I have already mentioned. It is an amazing way to de-stress and feel amazing in the evening. So number 5, rosemary essential oils, as we know, is very high antioxidant, but it also very high in anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. And the best way, if you're going through lots of treatment at the moment, is to use rosemary with lavender and rub it in certain areas where you are going through to the treatment. So now I'm going to talk to you about the emotional support of rosemary essential oils. It says here it assists in development of true knowledge and true intellect. So it teaches someone to be more to look deeper than they normally would ask for, soul searching. So if you're going through a transition, especially at the moment, we are going through the autumn after the summer, kids are going back to school, there's a lot of back to routine kind of thing going on. So it's an amazing oil to bring you back to center, but also to help you adjust, especially for kids, I would say, because when they get out of the routine and they want to go back to school and everything, it's so hard for them to adjust again to new teachers, to new school, to new content, to going back to friends and everything. Same thing for us, going back to work, with new colleagues, or maybe a new manager or whatever. Lucky I work from home. I'm my own manager, but you know, it's just a nice way to basically get back to normal, adjust, have a mental clarity, inspire new experiences, and also if you have negative emotion like confusion, difficulty adjusting and transitioning, it's an amazing oil to use for that. So the emotional support of rosemary is absolutely fantastic. A very quick word for precaution: if you want to use rosemary essential oils on your skin topically, so it's best to dilute it with the carrier oil just in case you have a sensitive skin. When you buy essential oils, always look for CPTG, certified pure therapeutic oil. I use doTERRA, which is an amazing company, which is the best company in the world when it comes to essential oils. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Until next time.